multiplying by 11 without a calculator. This is the elongated version to show you the different numbers that you can do times 11. It all works the same, but it gets a little more complicated. So here we go. First, the simple part. You're going to separate the digits. You're going to add the digits up. You're going to put the result in the middle. Let me show you a simple problem. 11 times 61. You separate the 6 into 1. Then you add up 6 plus 1, and that's 7. And that's your answer for multiplying by 11. And that's very cool, and it works for any number. Let's do one more simple one. 11 times 23. You separate the 2 into 3. Then you add up 2 into 3 and put it in the middle. That's your answer for 11 times those kind of numbers. And it's very easy. Now let's get to, it's a little more complicated. Let's do 11 times 88. You still separate the numbers and you still add them up. 8 plus 8 is 16. But you don't leave it as 16. Here's what you do. You carry over the 1, just like you do in regular multiplying, if you think about it. 8 plus 8 is 16, so I carry the 1 to that guy. And then I do 8 plus 1 is 9, and it's 968. So it's a little bit extra step, but it's really not bad once you get used to it. Let me show you another one. 11 times 76. Separate the numbers, add it up, and put it in the middle. But you're gonna have a carryover on this. 7 plus 6 is 13, carry to the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, so the answer is 836. All right, now I'm gonna show you how you can kind of do it in your head. You do 11 times 68. So in my head, I separate the 6 and the 8. 14 when I add them up, put the 4 in the middle, carry the 1. So that becomes 748. And if you practice, you can get really good at it. Now, what about a 3-digit number? Works the same. Watch how easy it is. 11 times 123, we'll say. Here's what you did. You bring down the 3. You add up 2 plus 3, that's 5. Add up 2 plus 1, that's 3, and then the 1. So it's basically the same thing. You're separating the numbers, but you're adding each 2 sets of numbers there. Let me show you again. 11 times 204. So I start by bringing down the 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. And then you bring down the 2. And that's your answer for 11 times a 3-digit number. Now you might be asking, what happens if there's carryovers on a 3-digit? So let me show you that. 11 times 586. And this will give us some carryovers. I'm going to bring down the 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. I carry the 1, just like I did before. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 1 is 14. Carry the 1 and put the 4 down. 5 plus the 1 is 6. And there's your answer for 11 times 586. I'll do one more. Let's do 11 times 756. All right, you bring down the 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Put the 1 down, carry the 1. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. And there you have it. Much quicker than a calculator.